During the wet season, a thin layer of water turns Salar de Uyuni into the largest mirror on Earth, reflecting the sky so perfectly that photographers can't tell where the ground ends and the sky begins. Here's how a lake became a 10,000 square kilometer salt desert. Salar de Uyuni sits high in Bolivia's Altiplano, a vast plateau at over 3,600 meters above sea level, squeezed between two ranges of the Andes. That plateau exists because of the same continental collision that built the Andes themselves, as the Nazca Plate subducts beneath the South American plate, thickening the crust and lifting this entire high-altitude basin skyward. Because the Altiplano is surrounded by mountains on nearly every side, it's an endorheic basin, meaning water that flows in has no river route back out to the ocean. Tens of thousands of years ago, this basin held a vast prehistoric lake, known to geologists as Lake Minchin, filled by rain and meltwater draining down from the surrounding peaks. As the climate shifted and became drier, that ancient lake began to shrink. With no outlet, the only way water could leave was by evaporating directly into the thin, dry mountain air. As it evaporated, dissolved minerals and salts were left behind, layer after layer, in each cycle of flooding and drying that the basin went through over tens of thousands of years. Today, that process has left behind an almost unbelievable 10 billion tons of salt in a crust that in places is several meters thick, made up of stacked layers of salt separated by thin bands of clay, each layer marking a separate wet-dry cycle in the basin's history. The mirror effect happens because the salt flat is so flat, essentially leveled to within a meter of elevation across its entire enormous surface, that even a very thin film of rainwater sitting on top doesn't puddle or ripple noticeably. It just sits as a perfectly still, perfectly reflective sheet. What looks like a supernatural optical illusion is really just extreme flatness, meeting a lake that evaporated away thousands of years ago but left its salty skeleton behind. If you want to understand how the world's landscapes were really made, subscribe for more landform explainer videos.